Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix transaction fee on MetaMask wallet. So first things first is to make sure that you are on the same network as you are sending your, for example, let's send USDT. Once you select the coin and you need to select the network. So make sure that you're selecting the same network, which is on MetaMask, and do the same on MetaMask right there. Now, once you try to send it, and if your transaction has failed, you will have the estimated fee right there. You will see this blue little pencil right there. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on it and choose low. Basically just change the gas fee, edit the gas fee just like so, and choose the low gas option. The time is the same basically, and the fee is lower, but you want to change to this one. And after this, your transaction should go ahead and go through. So try this out. If this helped you, make sure to leave a comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.